If you want to learn how to install XAMPP from the Docker image and how to install the WordPress in the Apache server, this video is for you. I am going to share you everything step by step. Please keep watching. Okay, let's go to the Docker Hub and find the XAMPP. So search for Docker Hub and so here you can find out the XAMPP. So this is the image we are looking for. Let's pull this image. You have to just click this icon and copy this command. Now open your terminal and pull it. So paste this command to this terminal. Make sure that you already installed the Docker engine. If you install the Docker engine, open the terminal and paste this command line. So after entering, it will going to pull to my Docker image. So now you can confirm by this command. Here you can see this image is downloaded from Docker Hub repository. Now we are going to run that Docker image inside our container. So container have the default port. For example, if you can see this diagram, here we are going to run the Apache inside the container, and container has the default port, but this port is only accessible inside the container and it is not accessible outside the wall. To access outside the wall, we need two things. One is the IP address and another is the port number. Directly it is not accessible. So to access this container, we need the IP address and the port number. So here is the command. We can use this command docker -p. This is the host port, so which can be accessible from the outside world. This is the Docker port number, and this is the image name. Now, let me share you the command how to run the Docker image. So here you go, Docker run --name. --name means that the image name. You can specify any name of that image. In my case, I will give you my XAMPP. And -p means that the port number. So first is the expose port number and colon the default port number. Let me expose in the 9090 colon 80 and -d--b. That literally means the web root directory and colon container root directory. So for local web directory, in my case, workspace www colon. This is the container web root directory. So www. And at last the image name. Latest version of the image. So after the enter, it will going to start the container. So here you go. This image is executed. Now it should be available in the localhost using this port number 9090. Okay, now let me check the XAMPP is running the localhost or not. So let me check the localhost followed by the port number. Localhost with the port number. The port number is Q0Q0. Here you go. The XAMPP is running. So now let me check our web directory www. So here you can see there is no file. I am going to download the WordPress, unzip it, and I'm going to run in my local host. So go to the WordPress website, official website. Click here in WordPress. Yeah, here. So I'm going to download the WordPress from here. As you can see, this already downloaded. Let me copy this file. this website and paste to my local host, the local web directory. So this is my web directory and I'm going to paste it. Yeah, you can see the WordPress is here in my local host. So now we have to configure the database. We can check the PHP my admin is running or not. PHP my admin. To run the WordPress, we have to connect with the database. Let me check the database from the local host. Localhost followed by the port number /php my admin. So here you go. This is the PHP my admin panel. Here you can see there is the database list. So there is the one database, test database. Let me use that one. Okay, now let me go to the local web directory and check the WordPress directory is reflected or not. So www/ here you can see there is the WordPress directory. So if you run, we have to select the language. So there is the language option. Continue. Type test. That is our database name. Username and password section is empty because we are not using username and password. Now submit. So here you have to click this button to install the WordPress. So click here. So here basic information is there. So please add your site name. My test username. Let me add mail address. Let me add my mail address. Now, okay, now let me install the WordPress. Yeah, WordPress installation is completed. So if you log in, we can able to access to the control panel. Thank you very much.